Hey guys, good morning. I'm a little late today just because I overslept, but I did want to make a video before CPI. It is coming out in about 30 minutes or so, and why I think that this could actually be the end of the bear market, and why I would easily call the end to the bear market, and where I can actually see these projections kind of going in the next possibly, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, maybe month or so. I think we can actually squeeze like crazy. Again, it's news. Personally, I think CPI is going to come in lower, but again, expectations are 6.5. Last month was 7.2. I think if we come in at anything under 7.2, I think that's 100% bullish. But what I'm even more bullish about is my indicator actually closing a bullish week on the SPY, right? We actually close this week on the SPY on SPX with this red dot here, right? The last time this happened was actually after COVID, right here, right? You actually ended up closing this and then ended up pushing us from 312 all the way up to 358. So about a $40 push. And again, I'm looking at sort of the same thing. And right now, my projections right now are actually 428 to like 440 within the next month or two. That's kind of what I'm looking for if this week actually closes bullish. And again, all of it depends on CPI. The CPI actually come in lower? Does the trend continue? I think we're going to keep pushing, and I would be very comfortable calling a potential bottom here at the 380, 375 level, right? The major bottom at 350, and this could possibly be the bottom at 375, especially this being a perfect 618 retracement on the fibs, right? So again, very simple. If this red dot closes, I am 100% bullish, and I will come back on Friday afternoon or tomorrow, and I will let you guys know if it actually closes. Because if it does, my targets for the next, like within 2 months, is anywhere between 430 to 440, which is going to be pretty insane. So not really any TA today. I think, that's all relevant to CPI. If CPI comes in lower, I think we keep pushing up for the next month or two. If CPI comes in higher, above 7.2, I think we basically just tank, we go down, and we continue our trajectory towards 350. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.